let's have fun and learn together. Hey, do you brush your teeth every day? Today we are going on a sparkling smile adventure inside the magical book. 3, 2, 1! Wow! The crystal waterfall grotto! Coco, what are you doing? The bristles go under the water, not the handle. Step 1, wet the bristles. Do you wet your toothbrush at home? A wet brush helps the toothpaste spread and clean every corner of your teeth. Step 1 done! Coco, that is a lot of toothpaste. We only need this much, a tiny pea-sized dot. What flavor is your toothpaste at home? Toothpaste has fluoride, like a magic shield that protects your teeth from sugar all day. Just a tiny pea-sized dot, that is all you need. Coco, your tail does not have teeth. Your ear does not have teeth either. Coco. Step 3, brush in small circles. Front teeth first, then the side teeth, then the back teeth. Do not forget the back. Every single tooth gets a turn. Do you brush your teeth morning and night? 2 whole minutes every time. Morning brushing removes night germs. Night brushing protects your teeth while you sleep. Keep going, Coco. You are almost there. Are you enjoying this adventure? If you are, please like and subscribe so you never miss a new one. We make a new adventure every single week just for you. Coco, Mojo brushes her own teeth. 3 steps done. Wow, the rinse lagoon. Step 4, spit out the toothpaste. Just like this, nice and titty. A little less dramatic next time, Coco. Do you rinse after spitting? Rinse with a little water to wash everything clean. Just a little, like this. Coco, just a little water. 4 steps done. 1 more to go. Step 5, check your sparkling smile. Clean teeth feel smooth and fresh. Look at that sparkling smile, Coco. What does your smile feel like after brushing? Clean teeth feel smooth and fresh. Your breath smells wonderful. Morning and night. 2 minutes, wet brush, pea-sized toothpaste, brush every tooth, spit, check it, rinse, tick your smile. Every single day. 5 steps complete. You are a sparkling smile. Paste. Brush 2 minutes. Spit and rinse, check your smile. You've got it. Morning and night, 2 minutes every single day. That is the secret to a sparkling smile that lasts your whole life. See you in the next adventure.
Brush your teeth
Brush your teeth
every single day.
every day.
Wet the brush,
Wet the brush,
add toothpaste.
add toothpaste.
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Brush, brush, brush.
Brush, brush, brush.
Spit and rinse.
Spit and rinse.
Check your smile.
Check your smile. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush.
Morning time,
Morning time.
nighttime too.
Nighttime too.
Sparkling smile,
Sparkling smile.
just for you.
Just for you. New adventures every single week. Subscribe so you never miss Faris Fun Storytime. I will see you in the next adventure.